Christian leader Bishop Kashif Javed met with Federal Minister Talal Chaudhary to discuss in detail the issue of RimshaColony. On this occasion, Kamran Bhatti, Dawood Sharif, Javed Mato and Pastor Imran Javed Bhatti were also present with him. During the meeting, the delegation requested Mr. Chaudhary to find a proper and fair solution to the issue of RimshaColony so that no injustice is done to the Christian community. Mr. Talal Chaudhary assured the delegation that a committee has already been formed to resolve the matter, and it will be ensured that no injustice is done to the Christian community. On this occasion, Bishop Kashif Javed stated that the unity among the community is a positive sign, and if the Christian community continues to remain united on such issues, it will lead to constructive outcomes. He also thanked all the participants involved in the matter and said that he would soon visit the area personally to play his role in resolving the issue.